Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can deal with loans in Xero, so let's get started. First, go to the main taskbar at the top of your Xero dashboard and click on Accounting. When the drop-down menu appears, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all your financial accounts live in Xero. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts section, click on Add Account. This is where you'll create a brand new account dedicated to your loan. Having a separate account helps you keep all loan transactions properly organized. Now it's time to set up your loan account. For the account type, select liability because loans represent money you owe. After that, enter the details of your loan, such as the account name, for example, loan from bank size or business loan 2023. You can also add an account code and description if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your loan account is now successfully created in Xero. With the account ready, you can start recording any loan-related activity. Whether you're logging repayment amounts or receiving additional loan funds, simply select the loan account you created when categorizing the transaction. This ensures every loan movement is recorded accurately and keeps your reports clean and easy to understand. And that's it. You now have a fully functional loan account inside Xero, ready to help you manage your financial responsibilities. Staying organized with clearly labeled accounts makes your bookkeeping smoother and gives you a clearer picture of your financial health. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.